আমি হচ্ছে অটোমেটিক ড্রয়িং করতেছি। অটোমেটিক ড্রয়িং হচ্ছে ইটস লাইক আমাদের সবারই একটা প্রসেস আছে, সবগুলো আর্টিস্টেরই একটা প্রসেস আছে।
রাইট।
তো আমার মানে সবাই হচ্ছে যে ধরেন আগে হচ্ছে ঠিক করে নেয় কী আঁকবে, বাট আমারটা তো হচ্ছে আমার তো অলরেডি অনেক রকমের ফর্মস আছে, অনেক রকমের লাইনস আছে, শেপস আছে, আমি অলরেডি সবসময় আঁকতে থাকি। তো আমি আঁকতে আঁকতে যেটা বের হয় সেটা। আমার কাছে হচ্ছে এই যে দুইটা ওয়াল আছে, দুইটা ওয়ালের মধ্যে দুইটা পিলার আছে, এই দুইটা পিলারের যে স্পেসের যে টেনশনটা একটা 3D স্পেসের, তো ওই টেনশনটা হচ্ছে যে ইউজ করছি আর কি আমি। তো এখানে হচ্ছে ক্যারেক্টারটা কনডেন্সড হয়ে আছে, টেন্সড ওয়াল, ওদিকে হচ্ছে সব কিছু রিলিজ হচ্ছে।
রাইট।
ওদিকে হচ্ছে ওর আই ডোন্ট নো স্ট্রেস, আমাদের জেনারেশনের
ম্যান you're very it's deep, it's deep.
ফ্যাশন ঠিক আমরা জানি হচ্ছে সবসময় শুয়োর মানে হচ্ছে ফ্যাশিস্ট পিক,
Right.
লাইক আ সিম্বল, অ্যান্ড ইটস অলসো মাই সাইন।
It is called art.
Bro.
It is called art.
You're really good at it. It's gonna open people's eyes. Like
But I'm thinking that. What's the meaning of that?
that's what I was saying
There's
after.
hiding something. What's he doing?
Yeah. It also kind of, do you watch anime? Kind of like anime character, sort of, but at the same time,
Inspired from Mobius.
huh?
You know Mobius?
Movies.
The French artist.
I heard about it. I think. Ah. Everybody is doing something creative here. Everybody is gonna surprise you here. Wow, man. Wow. That's Bangladeshian man.
I've seen a lot of things, but it's too crazy.
Come. That's the flag of Bangladesh. Come. Wow. What is this about? Oh, somebody got shot from the airplane. Okay. Come. There are many more, bro. We cannot just stay at one place. Wow, guys. This is real talent. Some of them
The real talent, bro. Look.
some of them are not even like
আমি সাইজে আমি চাচ্ছি মানুষ না আসে।
some of them are not even this is how the Bangladesh looks like in the map. This is how Bangladesh looks like in the map. This is the map of Bangladesh. It's like tiny pieces in the world map. This is what it looks like. And she's rooting to get freedom. And finally we have it. And traffic is being controlled by the student, as I was showing you guys earlier. It's not just here, huh?
You want to put your hands on the wall with the painting?
Yeah. Are they gonna let us?
Yeah. They will let us do.
Wait, here.
Saying that.
Ask from
Say.
them.
Hello. Can I also do this?
এখানে ভাইয়া এদিকে দেন তাহলে এদিকে দেন।
আচ্ছা আমার একটু দিন এবার আমার and your hand is too big, man. You cannot film.
এটাতে এখানে উপরে
Can I put here?
এখানে দাও প্লেট কোথায়?
You should show this. Come on.
Okay, one second. Look, give me.
Chat. Everybody do
Blood,
something.
blood. Red blood. Okay, right now go.
Here.
Yeah. Wait.
হ্যাঁ এটা কোথায় দিবি?
Did you clip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make a clip, everyone. Make a clip. Make a clip.
How can we like remove this? Come. No, there, like that, like from there, we can.
Yeah, it's still good, man. We brought it up.
Yeah. Oh shit!
No, it's going
Wipe
to
it. Do you have anything?
Yeah, give me today's. I'm cleaning Don't worry, Salman. It will be clean. Yeah, it has
Okay.
the vanish.
Okay, now we have to clean.
There's a crazy man.
Man willing to murder. Imagine doing that right now.
হ্যাঁ গেট
এটা একজনের জন্য বুঝতে তো না
দেন সমস্যা
Is there any way to clean our hands here?
After then you play a song. ঠিক আছে? You can understand. ঠিক আছে? বাংলা ইংলিশে কি বলো? After clean your hand, play a song from the for them.
Who's gonna play song?
You.
No, it's fine. I don't wanna.
No, it's not the right time, please. Come on, we're going to
না তারা
another place.
ওরা একটা গান শুনতে চাই মনে করেন আমি শুনতে চাই
Oh, no, that's not the right place. They are doing their works. You
No,
took them
তারা
space.
কাজ করতেছে কাজ করার পাশাপাশি গান শুনলে ভালো লাগবে কি বলেন ভাই হ্যাঁ ভাই প্লে করেন 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 হাত দিতে দিছে না ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ একটা গান গাইতে গান করতে হবে
Chad, he's like, I let you wipe your hands. Now you have to play a song.
it is fun enjoying
Is there any fabric that I can?
No, I don't have any practice.
I have this
Use
one
your t-shirt.
oh no
Yeah.
it is only for play song
Nice. What's
yeah
your name, bro? Hafiz, nice to meet you.
not only for Navi it is for play song he give you only for play song
Playing a song.
yeah
Do you hear prayer calling?
no after azan
I hear it.
after azan what
We'll come again, please.
No.
Mr. Mohan will come.
walk and play a song everyone enjoy
I don't want to claim that. I want
You don't want to clean. What do you mean?
come on, say.
না ও মুসলা দুই না না দুইলে সমস্যা go I am saying play a song for them sit there sit there
Where
Where
did
go?
I
Duro
put
beta.
that?
আমরা কিছু দিই না
Where is there? Maybe there. You did not put it there.
don't hold this
I'm pretty sure it's here.
they have everything they have
Look,
everything.
keep this.
Yeah keep this key
Guitar pick?
oh no there
No. The big
they
one.
have I know
There is no guitar pick.
no.
You already have it, man. Where is this
Where is the
Sandra?
guitar pick
Where did you put it?
It has to be here somewhere. One second. It's only 20. Okay.
আমাদের অর্গানাইজার আর কি আপনি আমি তো মেইনলি এখানে হচ্ছে রঙের কাজটা করতেছি
What song can I play?
anything no English
Bangla. No, no, no,
no
no.
oh today Bengali
What Bengali song?
Man,
English.
you play any country national like a classical
Favorite
national
song?
song? Yeah, country what is called it is. মানে দেশে তো ওদের গান হবে কি হয়? Oh you. এটা কিছুক্ষণ আগে কিনছে যে কিছুক্ষণ আগে কিনছে যে
হ্যাঁ বুঝি নাই এটার দাম কত টাকা এটার দাম হচ্ছে 7,000
উনি
এত লোক
Oh no, weird is the content. Weird is the content. Bro, it is the content. Just force him.
Tradition is not
Everyone, you want to listen a song right now? And there are lots of people. That's Bangladesh, man. Yeah, that's Bangladesh. We got second time independent. I hope it is the real independent right now.
I want them to sing with us. I just don't want to sing alone.
Bro,
who know this song lyrics
let's go.
Huh? I think we should leave from here because
Yeah, please.
they're busy. Like
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
okay,
should-
okay, okay.
Please put it here. You have to leave here because
we should be back. Dude,
The
there are
bombing
many
for the-
places where we can go to.
yeah.
You know, like everywhere is people doing something for their country.
Yeah, but we should film that, not just sing. I think that there's the right things.
Okay, okay, okay. What you can.
But let's find a place where we can, you know.
Yeah.
I don't really think.
Someone put it there.
It's okay.
Okay, come on. If I forget that,
But we'll be back. I'll be back.
Be back soon, man.
Yeah. Keep up the good work. Sorry, chat. I couldn't do anything there because I feel weird. I need an audience.
yeah.
You know, people have to be like, hey, dude, do something. And I'm gonna, okay.
Listening what
But if I sing, nobody is looking at me what
Yeah.
I'm doing.
they're not going
I
to
do not
listen.
feel appreciated. I don't like doing that.
And he's not going to understand that what's happening. We just have to say that right now we have to film this, what they are doing, the pizza part, the studio.
Don't be a pussy. Shut the hell up, Tsunami. He's like, don't be a pussy. Wait, that's mine. I put it there. Oh, the one over there too. I did that. I did that.
Yeah, I did also man.
You did it too. He did it too. Well, I still have some. Wait, do I have anything?
And
Kind
the
of.
sign of what I did. Look at that. Swear. It's represent the God.
I wish I could have done something to. I should have like kept it in my hand. But it's okay. Dude, I want to draw something. I'm just.
I just want to draw something that we have any something coming up.
I also want to draw something like. I want to draw something. Come. I want to draw. I want to find a wall where I can like. Also like draw something. Go dip your meat in the paint and touch the wall. Look, he's working here as a traffic police. Thank you. Look at the military. Look at the military. Come. Hello, sir. Thank you for keeping us safe. Thank you, sir. The militaries are very well respected here in Bangladesh. If they were not being, if people didn't respect the military, our country right now would have been in hell. This country was probably gonna be in hell right now. They didn't want to hear it. They did. They were waving their hands. The fuck? Hey, I'm doing good. Hey, Canova. Hey, bro. Let's play guitar. Let's find a place. You student?
No, man. This is my bro. I have made it now.
Oh, okay, let's find a place. We play together. Okay. He has to go. Wait, what's up, Meister? Wait, where the fuck is Mamoon? He wants to see fight. He wants to see fight.
I don't know the way he's waited there. Just move, Salmon. We're going to have something.
Wait, let me call him. Why the fuck is he
I
there?
have number, but I have the number. I'm giving the call. Wait.
Call him real quick.
What's the name is? Mamoon. Mamoon, bro.
Oh, Asisa.
Hey!
Let's ask him what happened. He would be able to tell us.
Come on, man. Where are you?
he would be able to tell us what happened. Let's
Come
wait.
on, you didn't have
He's-
time to solve all this problem.
Why the fuck did he go back? Why did he wants to see a fight?
I don't want to see a
There
fight,
he
man.
is.
I just
No,
want
no,
peace.
I saw there was been
Yeah.
like a
Rather than they doing,
they were arguing with one another.
come on. Yeah?
না বলতে এটাকে
What happened? What happened there?
That they are not someone Amaulik person they are not listening. That
Yeah.
সেনাবাহিনী is come. Oh, you are laughing with this man?
Oh, when the military.
There's nothing happened. Please look at there. Look at there. Hey, look at there. There's nothing
Oh,
happened.
it happened. Look.
It's happened already.
Anything happened? Oh, don't.
No, please back up.
Anything happened in my It's okay. এটাকে বলে প্রোটেক্ট করা
Wait, what happened there? What happened?
সেনাবাহিনী যা আমলি করছে ছেলে কত ওলা বাহাদুর সুদা তার এখনো
Oh, some of the people from the last government came up here.
এন্ড মোটরসাইকেল নিয়ে ওরা পাহাড় চলে আর যার গই পলে টিক হয়ে নতিয়ার তো সেনাবাহিনী বড় দের আর কি
What they say? Like, I'm gonna put you in prison, right?
না ওরা বলছে আমরা মানে যাচ্ছি আমাদেরকে যাইতে দাও যাচ্ছে
Okay.
মানে এখানে রুলস মানে চলা ওরে মত করে আবো না
Bangladesh, we need a traffic rules. We do need a traffic rules. If you do anything, you have to do like traffic work or something. In Nepal, they have that.
What did they have?
Like, if you break any traffic rules, you have to work as a traffic police.
No, man. We can bring this, you know.
It's not a, it's a small punishment. But it's gonna teach them like, damn, it's gonna, if I break any traffic rules, like the backfire is gonna be on me. What's up, Chad? What's up? How's it going, everybody? Hope everybody's feeling good, smelling good in this beautiful morning. I love you guys.
দেখলে চলে আসে বুঝলাম না ওইটা ঠিক আছে কিন্তু তার আবার তারা দেখ কি হচ্ছে দেখবা তারা আমাকে দেখতে হলে তারা
Hey, I'm gonna get banned if I stream
এতদিন পর্যন্ত সামর্থ্য ছিল না দাঁড়াই
if I stream fighting. I'm gonna get banned. Do you know that?
You have to understand that, man.
আমি করছি না আমি
Did you make videos?
লাইভ স্ট্রিম
No.
if content not for content
If I live stream fightings, Kik is gonna ban me.
you ban but in live in YouTube in Facebook I'm do it is for proof not for content
You know, even in YouTube, I show Speed got banned. Do you know why? Fighting, not just fighting. He jumped on a car. There was a car coming at him. He jumped on it. That was his content, and he got permanently banned. Do you know?
just for jump
It's dangerous.
jumping
He's jumped. There's like a CR7
oh CR7 celebration jump
CR7 car. There's a no. What traffic rules are you talking about? Traffic rules, like if you break any traffic thingy, you just do like a traffic job. Hey, I made a clip and YouTube took it down. Yeah, YouTube is very sensitive. YouTube won't let you do anything. Sometimes it's annoying as fuck. I don't know.
Doing it now.
We are going to CRB.
oh look at this
See ya.
oh
Man, he's scared.
you know she's maybe pregnant
I don't know.
yeah I know maybe look
We should ask it out there.
we should look please
See ya.
yeah I got it I know
They updated dangerous rules.
no I
Only post. Bro, I don't know when my YouTube account is gonna get banned. I already got so many violations. Like I have my manager. I made two of my friend my manager. They just clips my video and then they post it on YouTube. And I think I got a strike too once. I don't know when. I almost have 500 something subscribers on YouTube. I wish to keep it that way. I wanna get 1,000, but I don't know. I might need a new YouTube account. You know, that train surfing video, this and that, they think it's dangerous. They're just trying to take them down every day. Strikes takes long to remove. Yeah. We're on our way to CRB.
CRB? I don't want to go CRB.
Why?
I feel little bit
You feel tired?
not tired.
Unsafe?
Unsafe what? In
So-
independent country, unsafe what?
Then what's your excuse?
I don't have any excuse. I need mobile batteries.
Oh, bro, it's fine. I have a. Wait, I also need. Shit, bro, I need to remove this. Do you guys want to eat a mango or something?
No, thank you so much. Come on.
Wait, you have to give me 300.
Yeah, I'll give it to you, man. When I have room to change it, I will give it to you.
Yeah, I love the way you said it. I mean, living in an independent country, I don't. Bro, that's the spirit. That's the spirit. Thank you. Those guys are also working here as a traffic police. When you see they have.
একটা শিক্ষা পাইছি এরকম ভিডিও করতাম যে এখানে আমি 1 বছর আগে কিন্তু শুরু করার আগে আমি দুবার শুরু করি আমার কত অপমান হচ্ছে ভিডিও এইভাবে চাইলে এই ভিডিও কেন
What the fuck are they doing?
এখন ভিডিও
What are they doing?
No, it is like a newborn country. Like a newborn country.
Which way should we go? This way or straight? Oh, peanut. Hello, sir.
Do you want some peanuts, man?
Not really. Do you? I think I need water. Let's find a free water bottle. Look at that. Let's go see that. Look. He stopped the whole. Look, they're doing here. Hang on. Thank you, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you, bro.
Look, they're working here as a traffic police. Wow. What is that? Oh, those are peanuts. They're frying them. Can I get some water too? I'm so happy that they didn't vandalize anything like this here. Wow. Everybody follows his signal. When he says come back, he comes back. He has a walkie-talkie.
Ask them.
Is there any water that I can drink?
Do you want to order?
Yeah. Ask them. Well, you can just take it. Can we drink?
Yeah, man.
You just took it.
I'm also there. I did
Brother,
also.
can I drink this?
আইতে পারবা রে ভাইয়া খাও রে তুমি
তুমি আমি বুঝলাম না যেখানে দেখলাম তুমি
The earlier time that I did it, man, that's why I'm also the cleaner. I did it. In the morning that I have done it.
These guys are also students.
I can do
We still don't have police officer on the street. Thank you. Imagine, hey, Leon, welcome to New Bangladesh. How's Thailand?
Where is the Indian?
I'm a live streamer.
International streamer.
Yeah, Leon, we do not have traffic police or any police currently working on the street. So the students are the one protecting the look. The students and these guys are.
Simon?
What's your name, bro?
My name is Faisal. What's your name?
I'm Simon. Nice to meet you. Everywhere you go, it's just the student doing something for their country. Hang on, I'm gonna show them the whole.
You have to show.
You see, I don't know how many people here working. Man, how they got that clothes? Which one?
Man, I would say it's Simon.
Oh, Abu Saeed. Let me show you.
Open the chest.
Yeah, let me show you. He died during the protest. Look, this is what they're trying to. Abu Saeed. That's what they're trying to draw here. They look like police. Oh no, they're student. They're school student. That's their uniform. That's a school uniform. Shit. Chill. He almost died. Oh, he's a rickshaw driver. Look, those guys are also students. Hey bro, thank you for doing this. Tuk in Bangladesh. He's a walkie-talkie guy. He's the one who's given it.
যারা ড্রাইভিং করতেছে ওরা হাসতেছে খুশি আত্মহারা
Yes.
এক্সপ্লেইন দিস
My friend is saying like the people who are driving their vehicles, they're very happy seeing them like abiding their orders. Yeah.
আমব্রেলা পড়িং নাও
Yeah.
উনি যাবে যায় না
That would be unthinkable in Germany, that student organizing the traffic. But Leon, we do not have any chance because if you know how crazy the Bangladeshian traffic is, you know, so we kind of don't have any choice. So the students are the one who started this protest, and we all supported them, and we went on the street and we overthrew the dictator. Now we are the one who has to rebuild the country, and that's what everybody's doing. Everybody's happy. Why the students are here? Because they're happy, they're inspired, they're patriot all of a sudden. Put some damn indicator lights.
লোক মার্সিডিজ ইট ইজ মার্সিডিজ
Which one? Oh, that one? Oh shit.
লোক ইট ইজ আওয়ার বাংলাদেশ অলওয়েজ আই
Yeah, the
রেসপেক্ট
situation is bad. Yeah, it's kind of funny, I know. It's kind of funny. Is there holidays? Yeah, tomorrow is the holidays. Friday. You're doing really good job. Tomorrow is a national holiday. Tomorrow is Friday. Alright guys, let's move from here. Come.
আমার একটা নিজের জন্য কন্টেন্ট তৈরি করলাম।
Imagine I'm doing the traffic